Hi, everyone. Welcome back. This is session number 3 for myself, Laura McIntyre, the Chief Technology Officer at Acceleware. And with me is Bryan Helfenbaum. He's the Executive Director of Advanced Hydrocarbons at Alberta Innovates. Today, we're going to be talking about bitumen beyond combustion, something near and dear to Bryan. So I'm going to be asking him a few questions about it. Welcome, Bryan.
Thank you.
Okay, so for those that don't know, tell us, what is bitumen beyond combustion?
Yeah, so it's pretty self-explanatory, but fundamentally we're looking at, can we take bitumen and create high-value non-fuel products? The heavy molecules in bitumen are fundamentally an economic weakness when it comes to converting bitumen into fuels, which is what we do with 90% of bitumen right now. But could it be instead a strategic advantage if we're looking at converting bitumen into materials instead of fuels? So if a product can be non-combustible, high value, and scalable, then this could be economically transformative. This would almost quintuple the value of a barrel of bitumen. It would create significant jobs. It would reduce a large amount of greenhouse gas emissions, protect the value of our natural resources, and lead to economic diversification. So it really checks so many boxes.
Wow. No, that's exciting. Lots of opportunity there for sure for our industry. In terms of all of that opportunity, which products would you say have the most potential?
Well, it really depends how you define the word potential. Vanadium is a product in bitumen that is worth the most on a per kilogram basis. But at only 200 parts per million, the overall economic opportunity is significant, but not huge. For me, the biggest economic winner is carbon fiber, a very valuable resource, and it would use up about 15 to 20% of the barrel. But if you were talking about potential and you're thinking emissions reduction, then actually asphalt binder would be the winner, because it uses upwards of half of the barrel and still strong economics as well. So it really depends on how you're defining the most potential, but all of these products have very significant opportunity.
No, that's interesting. I guess related to that, the last question is, what is the timeline on making bitumen beyond combustion a commercial reality?
Yeah, it's always dangerous to speculate on that when it comes to innovation, for sure. And again, it varies by product. I think the first out of the gate for commercial application will be activated carbon. There's a pilot already underway, but I think that's likely to stay at kind of the high-end market, not likely to crack really the big water filtration, gas filtration market, but still significant. The two biggest opportunities are, as I mentioned, carbon fiber and asphalt binder, and I think they're both probably about 5 to 7 years away. Asphalt binder, the R&D is actually much further along, but the validation step takes a lot longer to really test and validate and get new asphalt into new jurisdictions. Carbon fiber has a longer runway for the R&D, moving along, in a very excited way right now, but there's still a ways to go to scale up. But the validation step will be a lot quicker in terms of being able to try that product in its end use applications. So yeah, 5 to 7 years, I think, before you see large scale BBC.
Interesting. No, thank you, Bryan, for the overview. I learned a few things today. Appreciate
Excellent.
your time.
Yeah,
Great
thank
to
you.
see you.